3個我嚟咗大理旅居之後養成嘅生活習慣，正所謂病從寒起。呢3個生活習慣嘅目的就係為咗減低同埋減少我身體吸入寒氣嘅機會。嚟咗大理之後，我已經有1年冇開過冷氣啦，因為開冷氣嘅時候都會令到你嘅身體吸入寒氣。而我知道呢一樣嘢只係 apply to 喺大理啦，因為夏天嘅時候呢一邊嘅溫度都有10零度左右，咁所以就算你唔開冷氣，都會係一個舒適嘅狀態。而我第2個養成嘅養生習慣就係我完全戒咗凍飲同埋雪糕，只會間唔中食下蛋糕，因為每做一輪艾灸要40分鐘，而當我哋嘅身體儲存大量嘅寒氣嘅時候，就會令到我哋更加攰啦，同埋冇精神。所以為咗避免呢一個情況，我會減低吸入令到我身體寒涼嘅食物同埋飲品。第3個習慣係我會刻意減少食水果，因為大部分嘅水果都係偏寒性嘅，除咗係嚟自熱帶地方嘅水果啦，例如榴蓮、龍眼、荔枝或者大樹菠蘿，咁為咗令到我身體減低吸入寒氣嘅機會，我會減少食佢哋。以上嘅生活習慣令到我喺大理呢一年裏邊有一個更加強壯嘅身體。Hi, I'm Jazz. I help young entrepreneurs to improve their body posture and manage stress through yoga and cultivate a holistic lifestyle that allow you to have more energy to focus on working on your business. If you would like to work together, feel free to send me a DM. See you tomorrow on day 2.